Greetings children, welcome to the online classes. This is Aishwarya. Please like and subscribe the channel for the further updated videos. I hope you're all doing well. The following video is for class 1, subject General Science, chapter 8, Plants and their types. As I have told you before, I hope you're all doing the exercises in the textbook and in your workbook. Let's begin with the lesson. You can see plants and trees everywhere, isn't it? Even in your house, you have small gardens where you have different pots, and that different pots your mother would have planted different plants or different climbers or different kinds of plants, isn't it? Plants are very, very important to us, and it is present everywhere. Okay, and plants are supposed to be present everywhere around us. Now, some plants are big and some are small. You might have seen big, huge plants in front of your house and small, big plants like trees, mango tree or banana tree. These, you would have seen, these trees are bigger in size, and some plants like grass or some shrubs are smaller in size. Okay, they exist in many different sizes also. It is not like all the plants are big and all the plants are small. All the plants exist in different sizes. Okay, it can be big, it can be small also. Some are bushes and some are shrubs. Bushes means you can see a group of plants. Okay, it looks like a bush. Now some plants, they live like alone also, like shrubs. Okay, they can grow together also, they can grow alone also. That is the speciality of the plants. They are very, very important to us, isn't it? Now, here in your textbook, we have a warm up. Ria loves gardening with her grandfather. She knows some things about plants. She knows which plant is a tree and which is a shrub. Now, do you know the difference? What is a tree and a shrub? No, we will be learning it in this video. Okay, so here you can see in the picture, all there are different kinds of plants. Okay, there are plants which are growing on the tree. There is a huge trees, right? And there are different small plants which are present, and they are in different sizes and shapes, and one is big and one is small. In forests only, we have lot of examples of plants which are big and plants which are small. Now, plants are living things. What are plants? Plants are living things like us. We are also living things, animals and plants. They are called trees, herbs, bushes, grasses, vines, ferns, and mosses. Let me read the spellings for you. TREES trees, HERBS herbs, BUSHES bushes, GRASSES grasses, VINES vines, FERNS ferns, MOSS moss. Now these are the different kinds of plants which you will be learning properly in detail in the later video. Okay, now plants are important to us. What is the difference between the plants and animals? Plants cannot move and animals can move, isn't it? Animals can move from one place to another, but plants cannot move. They're always present in just one place. Now, we are going to learn about two kinds of plants. Okay, these two kinds of plants are terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Terrestrial plants, let me repeat the spellings: TERRESTRIAL, terrestrial plants, AQUATIC, aquatic, PLANTS, plants. Aquatic plants, terrestrial plants and aquatic plants, these are the two different kinds of plants. Okay, now let's see what is the aquatic plant and what is a terrestrial. First, to begin with, we are going to see what are the aquatic plants. What are aquatic animals, children? The animals which live in water are called aquatic animals. Same way, the plants that grow over the water or inside the water are called aquatic plants. Aquatic, aquatic, plants, plants. The plants that grow over the water or inside the water are called aquatic plants. Now these plants are special because they grow in the water. Okay, so the examples of the aquatic plants that you have to remember are lotus, hyacinth, water lilies, etc. These three are the good examples of the plants that live in the water. Lotus, you all have seen lotus, no? I'll show you the example. The first picture is the lotus. Second picture down, which looks like lotus, it is called the water lilies. The third picture is the hyacinth. Hyacinth. These are the three examples of the plants which live in or inside the water. Okay, as you can see in the picture itself, it is floating on the water, right? And the flower is grown above the water, so they are called the aquatic plants. Now if these are aquatic plants, then what are terrestrial plants? Now terrestrial plants are the plants that grow in the land. Okay, so the plants that grow in land are called terrestrial plants. Terrestrial, terrestrial plants. These plants are the ones that grow on the land. Most of the plants are terrestrial plants itself. Or we have very few aquatic plants. Now, if you have watched Discovery Channel or National Geography Channel, when they show under the water, you can see different kinds of plants which live in the water. They are called aquatic plants. Terrestrial plants are the plants which grow in the land. Okay, so we are going to see what are the different types of terrestrial plants. What are the different types of terrestrial plants? We are going to see that what are the different plants that grow on land. What are the different types of terrestrial plants? Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. Let me read the spellings for you. TREES, trees. SHRUBS, shrubs. HERBS, herbs. CLIMBERS, climbers. CREEPERS, creepers. These are the 5 different kinds of terrestrial plants that are present on the earth. Now in the next video we will learn with the examples what are these types of plants. So in today's lesson, what did you learn? We learned about plants, 2 different kinds of plants, that is aquatic plants and terrestrial plants. In terrestrial plants we learned what are the different types of plants, that is trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. So in the next video we will learn properly in detail with the examples what are the different kinds of plants. Now stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself, keep learning, children, and do the exercises in your textbook, do the exercises in your workbook. Take the help of your parents and take the help of your parents to do the exercises. Okay, thank you, children.